Alright, boarding na guys. It's a party. Alright. See you soon.
Bakit? Yung lang ako pinigil ko sa isang fan.
Morning sa
Buti na anuhan nyo ko agad.
So guys, naka-onboard na gid ni
maning mga dreams sa kanang mga pasahero kanang dool ka sa
Marian.
window. Yes.
That's nice.
So, gusto di ba? First time naman po magsabot dapat sa plane. Amazing.
Wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the